guys withdraw when they like you for a variety of reasons, including fear of commitment, loss of interest, uncertainty about what they want, and unresolved feelings for an ex. Identifying some of the most common circumstances that arise during different stages of a relationship will help you determine how to respond and get your happy relationship up and running quickly. Here are 6 reasons why guys pull away when they like you. Subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. 1. He is terrified of being hurt. Past relationships can leave emotional scars and baggage, forcing a man to retain his distance rather than risk future sorrow by committing his heart. If he has had a partner who has broken up with him while he was in love with them before, he may be afraid of experiencing the same heartbreak again. This isn't something that only men experience. This is something to which a lot of women can relate. In this situation, pulling away is a self-defense strategy to keep him safe. 2. He is frightened of his own feelings. The most typical cause for guys withdrawing early in a relationship is their concern of how they would feel. It's nerve-wracking to fall in love with someone suddenly, whether or not they were actively looking for love when you met them. For some men, this is difficult to grasp. These men, especially in comparison to the majority of women, are not as aware of their feelings as others. They may be interested in the concept of a relationship, but the emotions that come with it are more difficult for them to grasp. As a result, people take time away from their daily routines to analyze their emotions. They are unlikely to tell you about this, however. They simply become more elusive in terms of both physical and emotional distance. 3. He is clinging to his self-sufficiency. Collaboration requires time, effort, and focus. It will surely divert you from some of your current pursuits. Some men will lose their freedom and independence as a result of this process of two becoming one, at least figuratively. And if a man values these things highly, he may withdraw in order to maintain them. This is especially true for guys who met you but weren't searching for a relationship at the time. Sure, they enjoy spending time with you, but they may yearn for the days when they could do anything they wanted, whenever they wanted. They could withdraw and spend more time alone to figure out what their true ideals are. 4. It's all become a little too much for him. Some relationships go from 0 to 100 in a matter of months. As much as he enjoys it in his automobiles, he might not appreciate it when it comes to dating. It's possible that your feelings and the manner you spend so much time together are a little too much, too soon. It's possible that the relationship is moving too quickly for him. As a result, he pushes back and pulls back a little to put the brakes on things. 5. He is conflating lust with love and it's also fading. It's possible that the intense physical connection you have with this guy is waning if you've been seeing him for a while and he's only recently begun to separate himself from you. That's a common occurrence in the course of a relationship's evolution, but it might be baffling if you don't know what it means. It's conceivable he mistaken love for passion. And now that the lust has faded, he's convinced himself that you're not the right match because love hasn't fully formed to take its place. He believes the fallacy that if you want to work as a pair, you have to experience intense sentiments for each other all of the time, but the truth is that feelings fluctuate in even the most joyful and devoted partnerships. 6. He's simply too preoccupied. You may argue that if he actually gave a shit about you, he would make the effort, but life isn't always that simple. If he has a lot of other large-time commitments that he is simply not ready or able to abandon, he might not be able to fit a relationship with you into the mix. He might be withdrawing because he can't keep up with your digital and physical interactions, not because he wants to. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share it with others, and subscribe for more dating tips videos like this. Do you have any dating tips I might have left out? Please post them in the comment section below.